camera is very good, right? When I am taking video under the darkness, you can see me. It looks like Batman, because he is fighting under the darkness. But I don't like Batman. I like Joker or Bane. I am feeling tired a little bit. I am going to a job tomorrow morning and I will get today permission. There is a hot weather. I am feeling very tired and I think I can't get my sleepy. Why I am feeling always unsleepy when I am not doing I want sleeping. You know, I couldn't choose yet what watch new TV series. Next TV series I want to watch Sopranos, but I am not sure. I don't know. It's a very big problem. And I finished Coast of Tsushima, and I could. My game is not so good. I am a cargo man in this space. I just wonder what will happen, but it's not interesting. Actually, I want to talk interesting things, but there is no interesting things. We can talk about the burger. What is your favorite burger? My favorite burger is that, these days, chicken burgers, two hamburger, and coke, and potato chips. I like. But before I was like Texas Tacos because biggest meatball and on the cheese, cheddar. I don't know. I was loving, but now I don't want so much. I am not sure, but I think my best food is hamburger. Yeah, and I don't know. I don't like local burgers. They are using maybe real meat, but there is no taste. I think they are giving some, don't know. I want to make cheddar sauce.